How to use Pinokio AI. Now, in this video, I'm going to be providing you the quickest or the general guide for you to be able to get started and use Pinokio AI. The first, Pinokio AI is actually an open source browser-based application designed to install, manage, and run complex AI models locally on a user's computer with a single click. So if you go head straight into Pinokio.co, this is going to be their dashboard. And take note that it supports Mac, Windows, and Linux with just one click. So if you're currently using the operating system for Windows, just simply click on download, and Pinocchio AI will provide you the preferred link for you to have it used on your operating system. So below that are the partner tools that you can use, which is actually verified for you to get started. Just simply choose on your preferred AI tool that is integrated with Pinocchio AI so that you can use them with a one-click localhost cloud. And that's it. Once installed, just simply click on Run, enter your prompt or command, and let AI do the work. And that's how you use Pinocchio AI.